Hey guys, at the reservoir again. Gonna do a little trolling for some crappie. Probably switch it up here and there, do a little bass fishing, maybe try for some pike, but gonna troll for some crappie first, see what we get. Stay tuned guys, got our first hookup. Alright, skunk out of the boat. Got our first crappie. Oh, here we go. Here's something nicer. Oh yeah, what we got here? Oh, caught on my other pole. That might be a hybrid. Ah, largemouth. Oh, nice. Oh God, nice. All right, guys, that's cool. Yeah, that's a nice surprise trolling for crappie. Get an underwater release on this guy. Well, threw a little Bobby Garland out there on a parabellum jig. Got me a little baby perch. Bird with its nest over the water there. Going for crappie under these things. Look at this cute little largemouth. Be perfect for a pond or aquarium. Oh, here we go, guys. Finally got a hook up on the spinnerbait. Nice largie. Hey. All right. It's been a struggle today, man. All right. We'll take that guy. 1/2 inch smaller than the other. We'll take it. Another bass, guys. Get in the boat. That's a nice. Uh-oh. 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 Nice chunker. And he just put the hook in me. Uh-oh. Houston, we got a problem. Son of a gun. Well, I got it off. It splattered blood everywhere. Man, that was in there. Oh, guys, I got the hook out. All I can say is good thing it was the trailer hook on here. I was able to take that off and really yank that bad boy out. Working my way back to the truck. Clean it up once I get to the truck. Right next to the boat ramp here. Working my way up. Hopefully pick up another one here. Got to look at the numbers, but at least I did better than last time I was here. My last outing, I got one fish, a decent brown trout. I'll show you that here. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful 22-inch brown trout out of the reservoir. Unexpected catch. Nice hook jaw. Look at that. beautiful.
Got out just in time, baby. Woo.
Boys, out. I thought I had me a fish. Hate when that happens.